So I decided to get Stormy and Saturn out. They're getting a little anxious. Yeah, because they hear all the noises and the other birdies. Yes, I know. They're used to having a clear runaround of the table lately, but it's just me, so I have to be careful. Yeah. Yeah. And Stormy is doing really good, too. This Saturn, as you can see, is doing well, too. Wanting to get out of this little bucket thing I have. Yeah. Just so sweet. Are you fussing a little bit? What you fussing about? Huh? Tails are coming in really beautifully. Both, of course. Yeah. And their crests are really big when they have them up. I'm not sure what they think about the light. Yeah. Does the light bother you, honey? Well, that's not you fussing. That's Stormy, huh? Yeah. You know, I wasn't gonna feed you tonight. I thought the earlier was enough for you. But you're making me want to give you more. Yeah. Say co-parenting is fun because it gives the babies a chance to be a bird and be interacting with other birds. Their mommy and their daddy. Stormy. Stormy. Saturn. 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 Look at me. Yeah, I know. You see other birds looking down. You're so nosy. Yeah. I never realized how fast cockatiels get feathers. I mean, 3 weeks and they're... Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. Oh, you doing some scratches? Do you want scratches? Yeah. I know. I know. Ooh, oopsie. We're gonna stretch, huh? Yeah. Come on. I know you like your face scratched too. Yes, scratches. Oh, say that doggone Chippy, she's come over again, hasn't she? She wants to know what's going on. She wants to know what's going on. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Say, oh my goodness. Say, Chippy, you're worrying the babies. What are you doing, Chippy? Chip, 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 Peru. Come here. Hi, honey. Hi. You're scaring the babies. Chip, 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 Peru. Chippy's so sweet. Gives kisses through the cage. Don't you? Yeah. Yeah. Mr. Magoo. Mr. Magoo, do you want to come here? He's like, nope. Not today. Oh, silly. You can't come out right now, little sweetheart. I know, I see you. I see you getting excited, Chippy. You want to come out. Yes, you do. Chippy is a female scarlet-chested parakeet. And they are really, really funny and playful. And they love attention. Yeah, chip, chip, chipperoo. Come on, come back. Come back, Chippy. I know. Hey, I would love to let you run, but I can't do it when it's just me here. No. No. See, if I was on the floor, I could. Yeah. We will do that tomorrow. Now I have to turn this around again so you look at me. You guys really want to see the other birds. Well, I think they're going to talk me into giving them something. You want topped off for the night? Huh? What about you? Saturn, you're going to be the first one to fly. I just know it. I just know it. I just know it. You are, aren't you? You're just ready to go, go, go. Saturn and Stormy. Oof. Stormy. Come here. Come here. Turn around. Chippy. Chippy likes babies. Yes, I know. Yeah, Chippy likes babies. See, my fingernails were getting all nice again. And now they're getting yellow. Because of baby food. Yeah. Uh-oh. Are we getting company? I think we might be. Who could that be? Huh? Say, it's kind of late for visitors, isn't it? Oh, big yawn. Yeah. I wonder. I just wonder if it's Stormy's mommy. Yeah. Could it be your mommy, Stormy? Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh, big stretch. Oh. Uh-oh. See, now we definitely have to turn it off, don't we? Don't we? Because somebody pooed in the box. We don't want babies around poo. Nope. Not my babies. Not in the nest and not in this bucket either. Okay. So say goodnight. Hey, come here. Come here. I know you want to run. Saturn. Saturn. Hi. Hi. What? You're so sweet. What? What? What's the matter? Oh, yeah. See, we'll get a close up on you. Yes, what's called? Kiss? Kiss? Yeah. We gotta kiss your brother. Kiss for you too? Yeah? Yeah. You get jealous? Stormy, did you get jealous? Did you get jealous? You might have. Yeah, I know, because usually I'm the one feeding you. Yeah. Okay, say goodnight. Say sleep tight.